Mama Perry and pick up me up and put into a Chico ball and come home and see you.
Oh, that was a great day.
Yeah, Mommy.
Yeah. And then we went to watch Sissy's volleyball game.
Yeah.
What a great day.
Yeah. Mommy, a yipple.
And tomorrow you get to stay with Grandma Rose.
Hi, Asu.
There's the other school. Do you want to go back to that school?
No, I just.
You like the different school?
Yeah.
I'm glad you like your new school. What's the best part about it?
Okay.
Did you take a nap on the cot with that pillow?
Yeah.
Oh, was it so comfy?
Yeah.
Did you cover up with your Dora blanket?
Yeah.
What's wrong?
Okay, yip.
Can't zip it. You don't need to zip it. It should stay on.
Need it last time, and I could do last time. And we suck.
Yeah, it's stuck. I'll look at it when we get home, okay?